What we're looking at is 6 weeks out of a level 9 bleach and a level 9 toner with a violet base. We're going to use another demi-permanent hair color, but this time at a level 8G. And this whole series is showing you the difference in the levels of hair color. For professional color, we really don't get into the names of the color. We get into the level. That's why I always talk about levels 1 through 5. Those are the colors of all minorities. Along with the levels, the hair colors are described by their tone. So we're using a G, whereas this hair color that you're seeing right here, that had a violet base. Now we have a G base. So we drop down one level from a 9 to an 8, and we change the tone from a violet to a gold. I typically don't use a gold tone on Eumelanin Pigmented hair because it's already full of red, orange, yellow. To learn more, come visit us on our platform, beautywellnesshaircare.com.